Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, namaste, sat sri akal, Hare Rama, Hare Krishna, assalamu alaikum. I'm very, very, very confident all of you are thriving in euphoria there, and so am I. It feels the most beautiful, wonderful, gorgeous, prosperous, lucrative, opulent, vibrant, vital, divine, sacred magnetism. I feel so abundant, and you know what is it today? It's 11 portal. It's 11 November 2020, which is 11 11 4, and 11 and 11 is the portal, the gateway to the opening of manifestations, new beginnings, new the realities, shape shifting, quantum jump, leap of faith, timeline changing. This is the right moment. Don't miss this moment. The timeline has arrived. This is the most auspicious moment, the season of the year, because 11 11 is the portal where the numbers have its, the frequency has its own significance, and it adds to 4. 11 11 adds to 4. 4 is the number of sun. It's the number of vitality, new beginnings, and bringing new dawn, new perspective, new reality, manifesting your desires, your aspirations, your goals. Keep the thoughts, vibrations, momentum strong in the direction of your desires. The ego, the pride, the fear, the dark space will pull you in. It's all right. Don't fight it. Embrace it. Flow with it, but just be on an observant mode. Don't attach to it. Keep your thoughts, your vibrations in the direction of your goals, so that you get more closer and closer, because this is the month of manifestation. I can't even explain how excited I am, and I'm seeing all the results, and in everybody's life, everybody is transforming hugely. I am transforming every single moment, either it's 11 11 or 1 1, doesn't matter. Every day I'm transforming, being a Scorpio. Oh, I love the beautiful process of transformation. I really, really, really thrive in every circumstance, and it feels amazing that I love the dark and the light, and building up, developing myself, and every day growing to be the best infinite potential of myself. And this today 11 11, just it's the number of 4. Again, I said 4 is the number of foundation, 4 walls. When you put a structure, there are 4 walls, 4 corners of the house, so it is the foundation in the physical matrix, third dimension. So today is the date, today is the beginning of a new phase for everybody, to be precise. So please keep your thoughts, your energies, your vibrations, focus on the direction of where you want to be, who you want to become, not who you were or from where you came from. Appreciate that. Move on, move on, move on. Right now, be in the present moment. In the present moment, what you're thinking is going to be your reality in the next present moment. So keep your focus very much determined and devoted towards your path of well-being, of love, of unity, of alignment, of success, of being rewarding, and of being of service, being a better human being, better higher consciousness, being mindful, being contributor, being a trailblazer, being a better guide, a better individual in yourself. Self-love is so important. That's what this channel is all about, and what you see in yourself is who you become outside of the world, outside in the world. So yes, 11 11 4 is 2020 adds to 4, which is 44. 44 is the master number. It's the high vibrational number. 2 4s adds to 8. 8 is again the number of karmic blessings, karmic rewards. It's the infinite loop of what you give, you receive, giving, receiving, giving, receiving. It's the eternal loop of heavenly paradise life, eternal loop of living your karma in third dimension. So better you focus on your thoughts are also your karma, not just your doing. So first you think, even if you intend that, you think in your intention or your perception, this person did that to me, or this person is doing this to me, or this person might do this to me. It's what you are creating. You're sabotaging your path. So please be conscious. catch yourself. It's the catch 22. You must catch yourself red-handed. Whenever a negative thought comes, catch yourself. What the shit I'm thinking? Flush it out. Okay, it came. Go, flush it out. Now again, get back to the momentum of well-being, of positivity, of optimism, of love, of compassion, of kindness. Come back. Take a breather. Negative thought. I caught myself thinking negative. Get out. Breathe in and breathe out and start a new thought, positive thought. If you can't instantly start a new thought, go do something creative. Engage yourself. Don't sit there and overthink those thoughts. It is manifesting, okay? So I'm so excited, my energy. I'm like thriving in ecstasy. I can't even explain. I can just create so much in this very moment. Fast, let's create, let's go create. I'm in that energy, so I'm so excited. I didn't forget. It was deliberate choice to talk first. Let's start with a universal attraction chanting, which we had done once in the channel. So let's do that because it's universal attraction time. 11 portal, come on. Om Kleem. Om Kleem. Om Kleem. Super new moon in Scorpio is coming. Super new moon in Scorpio. Do you understand the significance? Moon signifies for the feminine energy, feminine power, kundalini, intuition, the unseen reality, the highest truth of all, the creative life force, right? The power of Mother Earth, the power of the feminine creative energy, you know, that's what moon is all about. The super new moon is coming, and that is in Scorpio. Scorpio is the signified astro house for intensity, darkness, and death, which is transformation, which is new beginning, and it is the gatekeeper for all the death, the death of the old, death of the toxic patterns, new beginnings, new transformations, new visions, new enlightenments, new epiphanies, new dawn. That's the transformation is all about, and Scorpio stands for transformation. And the full moon, new super moon, is in Scorpio, which is everybody in this moment is reflecting, introspecting, facing their fears, coming across their, those kind of patterns they have been living. They are seeing them for themselves, that what the bullshit I was doing with my life. This just BS I was doing with myself. Why didn't I see this earlier? If you had seen this earlier, you would have not closed that karmic cycle which you had to go through. So it's good what happened, whatever happened. Learn the lesson, give in to the transformation, don't sabotage, don't procrastinate anymore. This is the 11 portal. Again, I'm saying start this, take actions towards your intentions, allow this new beginning to unfold, and keep thinking optimism, keep thinking towards the direction of your desire, of your goals, of your calling, not what you left behind, not what happened a minute before. Even a minute before what happened is a moment before. Don't let your pride and ego tell you, oh, this is this way, that way, this can happen, that can happen. Bullshit. Catch yourself when you're thinking negative thought, and give into love, give into humanity, give into compassion, give into well-being, give into wealth, prosperity, success, positive thinking, leadership quality, efficiency, epiphanies, enlightenment, give into spiritual growth, give into your physical well-being, mental equilibrium, emotional maturity, emotional wisdom, given to your emotional intelligence, your intellectual development. And don't get into that complete practical mode or complete non-practical mode. There has to be balance between your masculine and the feminine. You need to nurture as well as take action towards your goals, right? The feminine energy nurtures the idea and the masculine energy take action towards the goal. So bring a perfect balance. Don't just sit in one energy and get stuck with it and don't not move anywhere in your journey. So be very conscious. The portal is, the gateway is open, the channel is open with the spirit. Take this moment to start a new pattern of transform your thoughts, your vibrations to a higher space, higher reality. Raise your standards, believe in yourself. And if you are not able to do it, take professional help. You can write to me, or you can write, there's so many people helping out there. Take professional. Don't procrastinate anymore. Don't sit and wait that something will come and rescue you, or some moment will come that you will be rescued. This moment you start a new thought, you start a new perception, the change will happen, the transformation will take place. So do it. Do follow your gut feeling, follow that impulse, and then take action towards your journey, your intentions, your desires, and make sure that you are only thinking good thoughts. And add to this, if you're doing this, it's good, or add this to habit into your lifestyle practice. From today, whenever you are eating, before eating, tell a prayer of grace. Grace is tell a prayer to pay gratitude and thank you for the meal, which I call bhog, which is the food for your energy creation, for your cells, your blood, your organs, everything. The food is creating new energies. That's what, it's Mother Earth, it's the earth factor, the food you eat. So pray a small 2 minutes prayer. You give, pay gratitude for the food and all the physical and non-physical forces that is making every meal happen for you. At the same time, pray that everybody gets their everyday meal, so that they thrive, they grow, they expand as an individual, right? So set that intention before every meal you take. Pay gratitude for that you get that every meal. And that's, we say, the ritual for Annapurna, mother, the god Annapurna, which is the Anna, which is the meal. So pay gratitude, do this small ritual every day. Start from today, that you'll never ever come to that state that you don't have a healthy meal on your plate. And you can always pray that everybody gets their meal of their every day of their life. And second ritual you can do is, every night fill a bottle of water, keep it next to your bed, and when you get up, make a prayer for that water. While going to sleep, keep that water with that intention that this water throughout the night will be completely filled with the energy of healing, well-being, optimism, high vibrations, highest energies, tranquil energies, all of that. Just do a ritual prayer in the night, keep the bottle, get up in the morning. First thing first, pay gratitude for the first breath you are taking in the morning, because you have a earth's next behind your next below your feet, and you got up alive, healthy, well-being. First say thank you, source, for this beautiful magical day that I am witnessing or living right now, right here, right now. And thank you. Say that and drink that water. While going to sleep, fill a bottle of water, do that prayer, that to fill, ask source to fill that whole water throughout the night with healing energies, light energies, sound energies, creative energies, life force energies, protection, cleansing, purification, optimism, success, money, wealth, new well-being, new realities for you. Whatever you are desiring, everything, you can do that small ritual. Keep that water bottle, get up in the morning, say thank you for the new day, the new magical day you are witnessing, and then drink that water with that good intention, and see your manifestations will happen very, very fast in your life, because water has that power to give you that quantum jump, that leap you can take in your life and activate your DNA, your spiritual powers, where you can create and shape shift and transform your reality faster. You don't sit with that old patterns for longer time. So water has that power. Use that power. Do this ritual and the food ritual every day, so that it will create new energies which will help you in growth and expansion. And this was a calling came to me, because 11/11 portal is very important, and it is going to be the manifestation period till next 11/11 2021. Your 1 year is taken care of today. Start thinking, thoughts, vibrations, perceptions, lifestyle habit. These two rituals, as I said, and keep focusing on your well-being. And the second and another thing is the full new moon in Scorpio is coming. Set your intentions for new intentions and do a small ritual prayer to moon, to the feminine power, and surrender to the changes, the manifestations in your reality. And any questions you can write to me, or what. Love yourself, don't expect anything more. Love yourself, that's all. Bye bye, take care, take care.